been trying to reach you. Hey, honey, it's me.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, you're on speaker, by the way. I just wanted to let you know that I won the Milken Educator Award. Yeah, I didn't expect it. Yeah, it's awesome, and I got a huge financial award from it too. That's my response was too.
Really?
Yeah. I love you, honey.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Did you tell her how much?
Yeah, it's $25,000. Unrestricted.
You are so incredible.
Hey, as long as you believe it.
Oh my god, I totally married up. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thank you. All right, I'll call you again later, okay?
Okay, I love
All right,
you.
bye. Love you too.